morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Children, today we are celebrating White Color Day. Can you tell me what things are white in color? Yes, can you recall some? Yes, you said that correct. Snow is white in color. And with that snow, we can make a snowman. Our teeth are also white in color, isn't it? And when you look up in the sky, the clouds are also fluffy white in color. Rabbit is also white in color. So many things are white in color, isn't it? Have you seen white color rose flowers? Today we are going to make rose flowers with tissue paper, that is white color rose flowers. Let's make it together. I have already provided you materials in the kit, right? So let's get started. Take a look at the materials first. What we will require? We are going to need white color tissue paper, glue, a wooden stick, and a green color paper, scissors, right? Very easy. Just follow me as I do and enjoy making these flowers.
Fold the tissue paper and cut it from between with the help of your scissor. Children, handle the scissor very carefully. Now as I open it, I get a long strip of the tissue paper, isn't it? Now I am folding it. Fold it nicely. Now use some Fevicol to paste the ends. Little Fevicol is also enough. Fold it properly. Yes, that's correct. Fold all over. Put some Fevicol wherever needed. Pressing it with your fingers, you have to fold it. See, even I am putting some Fevicol so that my paper doesn't come out. Nicely you have to put it there so that the ends of the paper do not come out. See, this portion is ready now. Now it's time to use the green color paper. You can take a strip of paper and just roll it over the wooden stick slowly, the way I am rolling it, right? Roll it in such a way that you cover the wooden stick. And again, put some Fevicol and paste it over. See, it's very easy. Rolling can be done very easily. I am now removing the wooden stick. The base of my flower is now ready. Now I have taken a small square sheet of paper of the same green color. Fold it in a triangular shape and again fold it in two little triangles. See, this way. You remember we made a dog face last year? Yes, that's how you fold it. Here also. Fold it nicely the way I am doing. Children, we are now going to cut it with the help of our scissor. Yes, you have to be very careful while you use your scissors. Now when you open this portion, you will find that it's almost like a star shape. Wow, isn't it? To make this easy, even you can draw the shape on a paper, green color paper, and just simply cut it. If you are unable to do the foldings and cuttings, you can make it in an easier way. Now it's time to make the flower and the leaves also. For leaves also, it's very easy. Fold the paper into half and again half, like I did. Use the scissor to give it a shape of the leaf. See? Leaf shape. Yes. And you can add your own creativity. Some small cuts I am giving over here. This is all very smoothly to be done. If you are unable to do so, you can make a simple leaf, children. See the way I am folding the leaf? Yes, and when I open it, see, I get the leaf portion. It's looking very nice. Now the leaves are also ready. You can make simple leaves like I told you. Now it's time to make the flower. Remember, this flower making is very easy. Only you need to do is fold the end of the tissue paper like this. Put some Fevicol. Yes, there you are. Putting some Fevicol and just roll over the stick that is ready with you. Slowly and twist it a little and keep on moving. In between, for the petals to look very nice, you need to just keep on twisting the paper like I am doing. Twist it a little bit. Keep on rolling and twist it with your other hand. See how I am changing the pattern of the paper? Yes, I am folding it again and again. Slowly you have to go on moving your both the hands. Wow, my flower is taking shape. With the other hand, you have to keep on twisting the paper every time so that you get the proper folds. Slowly you have to continue, and you will reach the end of the paper very soon. Once you reach the end, what are you supposed to do now? Let me tell you. Again, take some Fevicol and put it over the last end so that your flower remains intact. Isn't it? Yes. Wow, the rose is ready almost. Just make sure that the Fevicol has fixed the rose very nicely. Otherwise it will start coming out. Put some Fevicol wherever needed so that the rose doesn't come out. Okay? See, even I am putting some Fevicol. Yeah, now that's it. We are almost done. Put Fevicol very nicely so that your flower remains intact. Now it's time to attach the leaves. And the tiny base part which is below the flower, right? That gives my flower a complete look, isn't it? You can draw this part on a green color paper and then cut it. Even for the leaves, if you are unable to do the creative cuts over there, with your scissor, you can draw simple leaves and just cut it. This way you can attach them like I am doing. Wow, flower is looking so real and it's now ready. See, I have made few other flowers also. I hope you enjoy making this flower.